Hello students, today we are going to study evaluation of soil strength. Now in the evaluation of soil strength, the first topic is shear test. Shear tests are usually carried out on relatively small soil samples in the laboratory. In order to find out the strength property of soil, a number of representative samples from different locations are tested. Some of the commonly known shear tests are direct shear test, triaxial compression test and unconfined compression test. Now the next test is the bearing test. Bearing tests are loading tests carried out on subgrade soil in situ with a load bearing area. The results of the bearing test are influenced by variations in the soil properties within the stressed soil mass underneath, and hence the overall stability of the part of the soil mass stressed could be studied. Now the next test is the penetration test. Penetration test may be considered as a small scale bearing test in which the size of the loaded area is relatively much smaller and ratio of the penetration to the size of the loaded area is much greater than the ratio in bearing test. The penetration tests are carried out in the field or in the laboratory. That is all about the evaluation of soil strength. Thank you, students.